Uncover the cost. The meaning of pay dearly. Hello, English explorers. Today we're diving into a phrase that might sound like it's about shopping, but it's really about consequences. Pay dearly. It's a phrase you might hear in movies, read in books, or even come across in daily conversation. So if you're ready to find out what it means to pay dearly, and how to use it correctly, keep watching as we break it down together. The phrase, pay dearly, has nothing to do with money. Instead, it refers to suffering a great loss or facing severe consequences for an action or decision. When someone says they paid dearly for something, they're not talking about an expensive price tag. They're expressing that they experienced significant hardship or punishment as a result of their choices. To better understand how to use pay dearly, let's look at some examples. After the scandal, the politician paid dearly for his mistakes, losing his job and reputation. She knew that if she missed the deadline, she would pay dearly with her boss's trust. He played a prank at school and paid dearly when he was suspended for a week. In each of these scenarios, pay dearly illustrates the gravity of the consequences experienced by the individuals involved. You might be wondering how to use pay dearly in your own conversations. This phrase can be used to warn someone of potential risks or to reflect on the aftermath of a situation. For example, if you're not careful with your words, you might pay dearly for it later. I paid dearly for ignoring my health, and now I'm focused on getting better. Notice how the phrase can be applied to various situations involving risk and consequence. It's always useful to know some synonyms to expand your vocabulary. Here are a few that convey similar meanings to pay dearly. Suffer the consequences, face the music, get one's comeuppance. These alternatives can help you express the same idea in different ways. I hope this video has illuminated the phrase, pay dearly, for you. Remember, English is full of expressions that aren't about their literal meanings but the ideas they convey. Use pay dearly to talk about serious consequences, and don't be afraid to mix it up with synonyms. Keep learning, and you won't have to pay at all, let alone dearly, for better communication skills. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.